Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and schedule events on your Discord server. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, all you want to do is make sure that you're logged in into your account, and now simply head into your server. And when you head into your server, on the left hand side, as you can see, there's going to be a events button. Now you want to simply go ahead and click on this, and as you can see, it says there are no upcoming events. You can also give other permissions to create events in server settings, just like that. So now simply click on create event, and once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and show you where is going to be the events of voice channel, somewhere else, in person, right? I'm just going to go ahead and put voice channel for now. Click on next, and as you can see, I can simply go ahead and enter the event topic, start date, start time, event frequency. It doesn't repeat at all, or it just repeats, so that is about it. You can put descriptions, upload cover image, click on next, and then it's going to simply go ahead and click on create, and then that is it. It's going to notify everyone in the chat. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.